Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my junior brother and Jelby. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Just finished one video, jumping into the next one. Now, today I want to talk about payment technology that Jamaica uses. I'm going to explain the technologies that are there, not all of them, but the ones that you are familiar with. And this video is basically to help Jamaicans overseas, people that are coming to Jamaica, people that are interested in the type of payment technology that are located in Jamaica. And this is just like information based, just to help you understand what you can and can't do with the technology that is there. So first and foremost, thanks to everybody that watch the channel, thanks to our subscriber. Now let me get into the video. Why my alarm going off? This madness. Anyway, so Jamaica uses a payment technology called Multilink. Multilink was started with two Jamaican young men, entrepreneurs, and they started in debt. Now, this payment technology is used on the cards, the debit cards with the magnetic strip. What this does is it communicates with the machine. It allows you to make transaction, withdraw money from ATM, pay for stuff in store. So you go to the grocery store and you're buying food, you use your ATM card, you swipe it, the machine read the card, and the payment is transferred to the bank. So the machine and the system and the technology, all the banks in Jamaica use them. It is locally owned and it is been going on for 21 years now. They did a report on the company Multilink Jamaica, and they process I think 1 million transaction per month, around that per month. There's like 900 and something transaction per month. And where fees are concerned, in Jamaica they pay $100 per transaction. It is much cheaper than the US. Per transaction in the US you're paying around $2 to $4 at the ATMs. At the ATM at the corner of the road is $2 to make transaction, to use that with a different card. In Jamaica the fees are lower. How do they afford this lower fee? Well, Multilink and the shareholders are banks. So the banks in Jamaica are part of the company. So what they do is they basically own the network, and they allow and they pay a flat fee. So all the banks like NCB, Scotiabank, Pan Caribbean Bank, Victoria Mutual, Jane Building Society, all these banks, they are shareholders in the Multilink technology. Now, on the back of your card, Jamaicans, on the back of your card, you will see Multilink, and some will say Plus, and some will say Visa. No, that is a technology that the shareholders own, and they charge a flat rate. So that's why our ATM charges is so cheap compared to the US. However, the shortfall of the Multilink technology is that it's not international. If you should go online like Amazon, Walmart, or any one of those stores from Jamaica, you want to order stuff and send it to Jamaica, you won't be able to use your Multilink card technology. Your Multilink card will not work because the technology is only locally based. You can only make transaction locally. Some stores are online. You can buy in Jamaica online, get those stuff. No, you can't buy something from overseas unless they accept your payment technology. Now, how do you go about getting to buy stuff online from Amazon, eBay, Walmart? You need a Visa debit card or a MasterCard. No, that's technology as well. You will see it on the card. When people see this, they'll think it's just a physical card, but it's the technology inside the card that allows you to make the transaction online overseas in any other country. So you'll go on the website and you'll see Visa and you see MasterCard. Sometimes you see American Express and you see some other ones. These are international payments, as well as PayPal. PayPal is accepted worldwide. It's a payment technology as well. When you use this technology, you can buy stuff online. You can then ship it to Jamaica. So Visa and MasterCard is international. Multi-link, it is locally based and it is more cheaper for Jamaicans. It is a Jamaican owned technology for 21 years. So that's the difference. So if you have a multi-link card like a NCB card or a Jane bank card, because not Jane Building Society anymore, they transfer over into a bank, you will see multi-link. This multi-link card cannot be used online on Amazon, eBay, or any of those international websites because the technology is not international. So it's local. So if you want to buy stuff online, or you want to pay for your Visa, or you want to do some shopping Black Friday or Christmas, you need a Visa debit card. The difference with a Visa debit card and a credit card: one, a Visa debit card is your saving money, the money you have in your account, your money, the money you put into your bank account from your paycheck, you deposit it from people that give you money, family member. That is your actual live money that you put in the bank. No, in order to access it, you can have a Visa debit card. Your Visa debit card takes the money from your actual money that you have presently in the account to make transaction. However, banks labeling them as credit cards will get people confused, because credit is what you borrow, but your Visa debit card can be used. It will only say credit, but it is the Visa debit card that is used, and the money comes out of your normal money that you have in your account. So don't get it confused, because they try to confuse you with their wording. They'll say credit card and you'll be thinking, oh, I don't have a credit card, I only have a Visa debit card. It can be used as well. They just call it credit. The credit card is money that you borrow from the financial institution. Say you have a $500 balance, you use that $500, you owe $500. No, the Visa debit card, you don't owe any money, because it is your money that you're using, and this is the way you want to go to avoid fees and stuff like that. So if you're in Jamaica, you want to make transaction online, get a Visa debit card. Visa, I'm very specific, very straightforward. Visa debit card. If you want credit to borrow and do those stuff, get the credit card itself. There's two different things. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. I hope the people that are not Jamaicans and you're fascinated about Jamaica and the payment technology, or if you want to relocate, you have to understand these payments. Yes, if you're relocating, your card can be used in Jamaica. Again, it's a technology that is used there. So if you have a Visa or MasterCard, yes, you can use those cards in Jamaica, or payment terminal merchants do accept these payments, so you can actually use those cards. There might be a fee because it's not international, not inside your home country, which is be America, Canada, all over the world, England, wherever you are from. You will be charged a fee, and most time it's a $5 transaction fee. So I hope this video helps. I hope you understand everything I said. I hope this helps you with your future purchases and understand how the technology works. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I hope everybody is okay. The sun gone down, so it's getting dark now, as you can see. But thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Bless up. I'm out.